Hi everyone, I'm Ashwant. Today I want to show you something I built as part of 5-day AI Intense Vibe Coding Challenge. I built an agent called LifeFlow, a private multi-agent concierge that helps with everyday life. Let's dive in. Think about a totally normal moment in your day. Your calendar app know your free time, but nothing about your money. Your budget app know your spending, but nothing about your schedule. Your habit tracker doesn't talk to either one. So a completely everyday question like I have 30 minutes and $15 free right now, what a healthy break I could take, has no app that can actually answer it. That is the gap LifeFlow is built to close. Instead of a one giant AI trying to know everything, LifeFlow is a team. A root agent acts like a receptionist. It listens to what you ask and routes to a right specialist. Here we have schedule, habits, or budget. Each specialist has to be good at one thing, which makes the whole system easier to trust and easier to get right. Here is the right real architecture. The root agent is built with Google's Agent Development Kit, ADK. It has three sub-agents, and all three connect to one shared MCP server, exposing six tools backed by a private local database. Nothing about my schedule or spending ever leaves my machine except the specific words need to answer one question. Security wasn't an afterthought. Every tool validated inputs. Anything that looks like personal contact information gets masked before it's stored. And for anything financially significant, here $50 or more, the agent won't log it silently. It pauses, explains in plain English exactly what it is about to do, and waits for user confirmation. That's the course Vibe Diff idea, actually implemented and tested, not just described. Let's stop talking about it and actually see it. I'm switching it to anti-gravity and then later on to ADK web interface. So this is the anti-gravity. What I did is like I initialized the virtual environment and then I initialized the WebSocket. Then it got like local initiated the local server. So it gave me this. It got me into this Google ADK web interface. So here I choose agent. So these are my previous tests that I've done. So the first thing that I copy pasted in the messages. So what's on my schedule today and when is my next free 30 minutes? So then the agents talk to each other and then give an answer that I have 30 minutes free time from 7:45 to 9. So then my second question, I just copy pasted this question, the question 8. So I have 30 minutes and $15 free right now. What's the healthy break I could take? So it spoke with multiple different agents because it have two different things like my schedule and then the budget and also my health. So this has three has to speak with three agents and come up with a solution. So that's why it suggested me. So I have free time from 7:45 to 9, and for the $15 I have, and then it suggested me to do some exercise and then meditation so I can spend the $50 on a healthy snack or activity. So this is what the multi agent gave me, and then I just logged something like I took my medicines. So it logged it. That's wonderful. You logged your medicines or vitamins today. Keep up and great work. That's the output. And then I try to log it in and log the data again. So then here what happens is that like we are trying to tell that we are wanted to maintain the streak. So the this triggers a real skill file I built that teaches the agent how to compute and harness the streak. So then for the $12 that I spent on a coffee, it logged in automatically. But for anything above the $50, I spent I spent like $75 on shoes. So it didn't log it. It just gave me like what are the things that it was about to do. So then it showed me category shopping, and then that's why this is above $50 threshold, and then it asked me to review this log. So I said go ahead and review it. I reviewed it and go ahead and log it. So we got it into message called your $75 shoe purchase got logged. So let's try. Uh, I took I took a 30-minute walk. So my activity got logged. And now this is my complete working GitHub, wherein I have like all the README files, which is all included in this. Let me dive into the PPT again. So we all tested all these messages. Next, a quick word on how this was built. I used anti-gravity for initial scaffolding and for iterating one each agent instructions, but at runtime, the project only needs Google ADK and MCP SDK. There is no anti-gravity dependency once it's running, which mattered since quota was limited for a lot of us. So that's why we got the error. Thank you.